Alright, so in today's video, all I'm going to do is show you how bad the torque steer is in the TL SH all-wheel drive. Well, I shouldn't say bad because there is none really. So I'm going to show you here in a sec. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to downshift into third gear at 100 kilometers. And I'm going to not even hold the steering wheel and just put it to the floor. Now the only reason the car is going to probably move a bit is because the road's not perfectly even. I'm going to put it straight. Okay, now I'm going to floor it and watch. Oh, a little bit there, but not much. Pretty much only when you shift it to the next gear, I guess it kind of torque steers a bit. But I had a prelude where I downshift third on the highway, and if I wasn't holding on with both hands, pretty much it just shot to the right so bad. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you the torque steer. I'll do it again, third gear, downshift. See, no torque steer. Well, that's third gear, I guess. I could try first gear here in a second. First to second, I'll try it. First, second gear. Okay, there's some torque steer in first. A little bit in second, but I guess I'm sure if there was more horse, there'd be a little bit of torque steer, but for now, I only got the intake and the J-pipe. And I get a tune and full exhaust. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see full bolt-on tune TL, go check out Prince Voodoo on YouTube. He's got a dyno pull of it. Yeah, I think he puts down like 320 wheel horse with just bolt-on and tune. Also, he has a few pulls against a Lexus ISF. If you want to see a run against, kind of see what a TL full bolt-on tune can do, Street Battles 37 has an Infiniti G37S sedan manual. Now he's got a bunch of good runs against people that he pulls on or side-by-side races. So he also races Prince Voodoo's TL, and the TL keeps up pretty good. So if you compare to what Street Battles 37, all his races, the cars he pulled, and then you compare how good the TL kept up, get an idea of how many cars the TL could actually beat and keep up with. For now, I don't have a full bolt-on tune. I am gonna get it eventually. I'm just trying to work on some investments so that money's not really a worry as much as it is now. So I'm gonna try another second gear pull to see the torque steer on second gear. First gear, there is torque steer. I can't say there is none, because as soon as VTEC hits, it just pulls right to the right. So I'm gonna try a second gear here. I'll go in the middle of the road. Second gear, about 4 grand-ish. Again, no hands on the wheel. I can't, the road's too uneven, unfortunately. But anyways, I know somebody had asked me about the torque steer, and it is pretty much very minimal. I mean, compared to a front wheel drive only, there is barely any torque steer. So yeah, also I'm gonna make a video on how to upload a picture to that and change that to just the Acura background. And yeah, so if you like the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will upload some more.